Hi friends, welcome to Any Knowledge. Come to the next part of the CCE preliminary examination political science optional question paper. That day we discussed the questions first part, and today we will discuss the second part of the papers. Let's come to the questions. Friends, please subscribe my channel Any Knowledge for further video. The first question to next part is political liberty without economic equality is a myth. Who said this? Political liberty without economic equality is a myth. It is said by option A T.H. Green, option B J.S. Mill, option C G.D.H. Cole, and option D H.J. Lasky. Here option C G.D.H. Cole is the correct answer. Next question. Who among the following is the author of the book Leviathan? Hobbes. Thomas Hobbes wrote the book Leviathan. The next question. Which of the following is not a source of law? Option A custom, option B religion, option C immigration, and option D legislation. Option C imagination is not a source of law because we cannot imagine any law. Law should be in written form. It cannot be a imagination. Come to the next question. Who among the following drew an analogy between the state and the biological organisms? Option A Herbert Spencer, option B Adam Smith, option C Comet, option D Graham Walsh. Option A is the correct answer, Robert Spencer. Come to the next question. Who among the following considered democracy as prevented form of government? Option A Aristotle, option B Plato, option C MacIver, option D Bentham. Here option A Aristotle is the correct answer. He considered democracy as prevented form of government. Come to the next question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of sovereignty? Option A absoluteness, option B divisibility, option C permanence, option D exclusiveness. Here option B divisibility is the correct answer. Divisibility is not a characteristic of sovereignty. Next question. Austin propounded his theory of sovereignty in the book. Option A Two Treatises of Government, option B Lectures on Jurisprudence, option C Early History of Institutions, and option D the Modern State. Option B is the correct answer. And the next question. The preamble of the Indian Constitution was amended first time by the 24th Amendment, option B the 44th Amendment, option C the 42nd Amendment, and option D none of the above. The preamble is amended by the 42nd Amendment of the Indian Constitution. It is also called mini constitution. Come to the next question. The Constitution of India draws its authority from option A the Indian Independence Act, option B the Constituent Assembly, option C the People of India, and option D the Government of India Act 1935. The Constitution of India draws its authority from the people of India. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. The fundamental rights are incorporated in the Indian Constitution in Part 2, Part 4, Part 1 and Part 3. Fundamental rights are incorporated with Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. Come to the next question. In the Constitution, the right to equality falls under the Articles 14 to 18. Right to equality under Article 14 to 18. Next question. How many members were included in the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Option A 7, B 9, C 11, D 15. Option A 7 is the correct answer. The Indian Constitution borrowed the idea of the DPSP, Directive Principles of State Policy, from the Constitution of USSR, France, Switzerland and Ireland. Here option D, Ireland is the correct answer. The DPSP for the Constitution is borrowed from Ireland Constitution. Next question. Indian Constitution established a unitary state with subsidiary federal features rather than federal state with subsidiary unitary features. Who said this? Option A, Granville Austin. Option B, Ivor Jennings. Option C, K.C. Ware. Option D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Here option C is the correct answer. Next question. Under the parliamentary system of government adopted in India, the real executive authority rests with option A, the President, option B, the Prime Minister, option C, the Council of Ministers, and option D, the Parliament. Here option C is the correct answer. The Council of Ministers is the correct answer. Next question. The total number of members in the Rajya Sabha is option A 238, B 245, C 250, option D 225. Here option C is the 250 is the correct answer. Total member of Rajya Sabha is 250. Come to the next question. The lower house of the Indian Parliament is called option A, the Lok Sabha, B, Rajya Sabha, C, Legislative Assembly, D, Legislative Council. Option A, the Lok Sabha is the correct answer. Lower house is called Lok Sabha and upper house is called Rajya Sabha. Next question. Who preside over the joint session of the Parliament? The Speaker of Lok Sabha, the President, Prime Minister, and last option is Vice President. Option A is the correct answer. The President, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, presides over the joint session of the Parliament. Now the next question. The Chairman of Rajya Sabha is option A, the Prime Minister, B, the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha, option C, the Vice President, and option D, the Leader of the Opposition. Option C, the Vice President is the correct answer. He is the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Next question. The term secular was incorporated in the preamble of Constitution by the 44th Amendment, 42nd Amendment, the 73rd Amendment, and the 74th Amendment. Here option B is the correct answer. Previous one question also asked from the preamble of Indian Constitution. In 42nd Amendment, in the preamble, the modified done. Next question. National emergency can be declared by the President of India under the Article 352 Article 360, Article 356 and Article 362. Here option A is the correct answer. Article 352. National emergency can be declared by the President of India under Article 352. There may be three emergency. One is financial emergency, and under is national emergency. Come to the next question. The sixth schedule of the Constitution pertains to the administration of option A, Union Territories, option B, the state of Kashmir, and option C, the tribal areas of Northeast India, and option D, none of this. Sixth schedule of the Constitution pertains to the administration of the tribal areas of Northeast India. Come to the next question. Which of the following is the part of the state list in the 7th schedule of the Constitution? Public health and sanitation. Option B, hospitals and dispensaries. Option C, relief of the disabled and unemployable. And option D, all of the above. Here option D is the correct answer. All of the above is in the part of the state list of the 7th schedule of Constitution. There are three lists. One is union list, another is state list, and another is concurrent list. Come to the next question. The residuary power in India rests with option A, the states, option B, the parliament, the option C, Rajya Sabha, and D, none of this. Option B, the parliament. The residuary power in India rests with the parliament. Come to the next question. The Indian president is elected by option A, the Lok Sabha, option B, the Rajya Sabha, option C, the elected members of the parliament and the state assemblies, and option D, the state assemblies. Option C is the correct answer. That is, president is elected by the elected member of the parliament and the state assemblies. On to the next question. The impeachment of the President of India can be initiated in either house of the parliament. Option B, the Lok Sabha alone. Option C, the Rajya Sabha alone. And option D is joint sitting of both the house of the parliament. Here option A, either house of the parliament, is the correct answer. The impeachment in the President of India. Come to the next question. Who was the first speaker of Free India's first legislative constituent assembly? Option A, G.V. Mavalankar. Option B, K.M. Munshi. Option C, Frank Anthony. Option D, Sarojini Naidu. Here option A is the correct answer. Come to the next question. Who nominates the 12 nominated members to the Rajya Sabha? Option A, the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Option B, the President of India. Option C, the Prime Minister of India. And option none of this. Here option B is the correct answer. The President of India can nominate 12 members to the Rajya Sabha. Come to the next question. Which of the following articles provides that there shall be a Council of Ministers to aid and advise the President in discharge of his constitutional obligations? Option A, the Article 74. Option B, the Article 75, Article 76 and 78. Here option A is the correct answer, the Article 74. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video, and please like the video and subscribe my channel for further video. Thank you again. Please subscribe any knowledge.